Hello folks, this is Scott with Dow's Paint Correction and Auto Detailing. Hey, I've been doing some testing with the product. I've already gone through a gallon of it. I've been trying it on all different tires, all different cars, all different environments. And I just put one application of this tire dressing on it, and I said, let me make a video and just kind of bring you in on the testing process. What I have here is Automagic Extreme Dress It. This is a water-based dressing, very much like Meguiar's Hyper Dressing, although this smells like bananas. I'm not really sure what Meguiar's Hyper Dressing smells like, but I love this stuff. I've been using it for years. If you happen to have an Automagic distributor by you, meaning you can go in there and pick this stuff and get it, I paid $26.99 for a gallon of this stuff. You can dilute it from 4 to 1, 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1. You can use it straight. I wanted to bring you in because what I'm doing at the moment is using the product completely straight right now, and I wanted to show you the shine and gloss on this. What I'll do is, when I use it straight, I have a little separate bottle that I have it for just on tires. I'll put a little bit on this microfiber applicator. I already put some on there, folks. Sorry, I should have got you in on the video sooner. But I'll just put another application on, and then I'll bring you in to take a look at the tires. So this is going to be after 2 applications. Let me get a little bit of creamy goodness on this applicator. This little microfiber applicator. You can put it on with a sponge. You can put it on with a brush, whatever you want to do. I do notice the consistency with Automagic Extreme Dress It is just a little bit thicker than Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. Not much, but just a little bit thicker. So I'll go in here and just apply it to the tire. We've all done this before, right? It's a really easy process. It's water-based, so it's not going to sling onto the paint. It dries almost instantly after about a minute or two. Really nice shine and gloss. It gives you a little bit more shine and gloss at using it straight versus Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. Let me bring you in and show you this tire. Again, I haven't cleaned the rim or anything like that. I was just testing it on the tire. But I absolutely love the way that looks for a water-based dressing. It's got some really nice shine and gloss. To me, using it straight, it's a little bit better than Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. It's not all that streaky. It looks streaky because of the sunlight hitting these little ridges, or these, what do they call those again? I can't remember. But the product goes on really nice, streak-free. It will begin to dry. Right now it's completely dry to the touch, or just about dry to the touch. Give it another 30 seconds to a minute and it will be dry to the touch. It won't sling on the paint. That's one of the nice advantages of water-based dressings, right? Oops, sorry folks, so sorry. Let me put you down. What's really nice about water-based dressings is they're easy to remove when you want to go put another application on it the next time you wash your car. They don't sling on the paint like a lot of petroleum distillate products and heavily silicone products. But this product here, folks, $26.99. If you guys happen to have an Automagic distributor by you, you can walk in there for $26.99 out the door for a gallon of it, being able to dilute it just like Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. What's Meguiar's Hyper Dressing? $35 to $42 depending on where you buy it. I'm saving almost $10-15 depending on who I buy Meguiar's Hyper Dressing from. And the fact that I can walk just in a store right here in Dallas, 3 miles from my home, it's a winner. I love the way it looks on the tire when you use it straight. And what's really nice is I have noticed in all the testing I've been doing, no, water-based dressings typically don't last forever. A couple of rainstorms, maybe 2 weeks, and all of a sudden it looks like it's gone. This stuff, because it's just slightly a little bit more thicker when you use it straight than Meguiar's Hyper Dressing, I do see I get about a week longer out of the product versus Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. That's pretty cool. I like that. But I just wanted to show you a simple little in-the-moment testing with this stuff. I think it looks great. I think it looks awesome. I hope that helps you out. If you guys can get your hands on Automagic Extreme Dress It, so versatile. You can use it on, you know, I've got some plastic trim over here on the side of this wheel well. I can just use it straight, wipe it onto that plastic molding as I'm here dressing the tire. It looks amazing. It's not streaky. It goes on really well, dry to the touch. No dust is going to stick to it. Folks, I hope that helps you out. I like the way it looks. It's got like a really nice shiny gloss to it, but yet it's not overly obnoxious, completely dry to the touch, and it lasts a little bit more longer than Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. So I give it 2 thumbs up. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.